this, huh? ये ड्रॉ करूँगा तो अगर ड्रॉ नहीं करने से आपको तो शायद कंफ्यूजन होगा। एवरीथिंग लुक्स सिमिलर, यू नो। कैसे ये है ऐसा, ये ऐसा आता है, ये ऐसा आता है, ये ऐसा आता है, इतने के ड्रॉ करो। Let us see only west coast of America. Now San Andreas Fault, ये Pacific plate है। I think this is the biggest plate in oceanic Pacific. This is North America plate. This is South America plate. No problem in the drawing. ये दो। अभी आप देखो यहाँ एक सबडक्शन जोन है ना इधर, तो इसलिए ब्लू कलर सा सबडक्शन, ये देखो सबडक्शन जोन है। ये सबडक्शन जोन है इज हियर, ये एक सबडक्शन जोन। कैन यू सी ना दिस सबडक्शन जोन एंड दिस सबडक्शन जोन। This red is Medusan-Gris. The reds are Medusan-Gris. Just keep that. So what he says, you know, इधर एक सबडक्शन जोन है, very close to. Now this subduction zone, ये जो इतना आ गया, ये subduction. So Pacific plate is going down, na? Now these two subduction zones, you know, are connected by ये ऐसा ये. These two subduction zones are connected by this San Andreas Fault. You should be very accurate in its location. So it passes over the Bay of California. California Bay इधर दिखता है ना, थोड़ा सा समुद्र जैसे घुस गया अंदर, ये इसका अंदर होके साथ बाजा कैलिफोर्निया बोलते हैं, बे कैलिफोर्निया बोलते हैं। ये फॉल्ट का ऊपर there are very important cities, you know. One is your Los Angeles, San Francisco, somewhere San Francisco, Silicon Valley इसको ही बोलते हैं ना, Los Angeles or somewhere here, you know. Exact location आपको देख लेना, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and many things. And this is a transform margin where आपके वापस 5-6 स्केल में तो हर दिन होता है, हर दिन 5-6 स्केल में तो आपके होता रहता है। फिर भी certain important cities survive होंगे। क्यों वहाँ से उठ के नहीं आते? कोई उठ के नहीं आएगा। या आपके तो कब से ही हो रहा है। But people will not, or the city will not move from there to here. Because these cities are the western margin cities, na? Western margin cities. So they can approach from here, you know, to any place in the world from this side, over the ocean. So these cities are very prosperous, as you know, you might be planning also to go there sometimes. So these cities are on San Andreas Fault itself, and this gulf. This gulf is also over the San Andreas Fault. So this San Andreas Fault is connecting a trench to another trench, trench to trench. Now this point, you know, this point, इधर जहाँ से ये trench connect करता है, there is another transfer margin here. इधर जहाँ करता है, इस करके there is a Medusan-Gris here. Very close, not this margin. Medusan-Gris. And ये Medusan-Gris इधर से आ रहा है, इधर से। इतना ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ना आप लोग, हाँ? So between we have the San Andreas Fault. मैं अभी लाइट देता हूँ। अभी हम लोग एकदम कम आउट ऑफ दिस प्लेस। ये रहेगा ना? Now this fracture is known as Mendocino transform. Mendocino fracture. ये वाला इधर मैं तो डिटेल दिखाऊंगा इधर। देखो मैं ठीक ड्राइंग किया नहीं किया, ये कॉपी भी करेक्ट है ना। ये सबडक्शन जोन है ना, सो दिस इज द मेडोसन यूरिस, वो थोड़ा काट दिया मेडोसन यूरिस, द मेंडोसिनो फ्रैक्चर जोन, ये सबडक्शन जोन। दिस San Andreas fault starts from here, it goes like this through this bay to further south, you know, that is what we have drawn, ठीक है ना। सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसफर मार्जिन इट इज, राइट लेटरल, आप इसको राइट लेटरल ऐसे मार्क करो, राइट लेटरल। Now this is North American plate, so in between this will be plate very narrow, though it is very small plate, you know. I told you there are micro plates, major plates, you know. So these are very small plates, you know, here ये मेडोसनी रीज है ना, ये देखो इसका नाम है जुआन डी फ्यूका रीज, I told you earlier ना, this one is जुआन डी फ्यूका रीज, ये बात। So this side is Pacific plate, this you know, this small, very small plate, it has some people name it जुआन डी फ्यूका plate, some people name Gorda plate, Gorda plate. So you could understand the location of these two plates, are small plates between the subduction zone and the mediastinal ridge. You come down, then Pacific plate is this, San Andreas fault, Pacific plate, then it goes down. This part will read little later, first we will concentrate on this plate, this part, San Andreas fault. Understood na? So the San Andreas fault is a right lateral fault na? Now this plate na, this plate, draw it, I'll just close it. एक close नहीं करना तो this drawing is clear na? So what he says, so this picture, you know, this picture what you are seeing is from Oligocene period. Oligocene, what is there? Around 20 million years, 30 million years, Oligocene. पहले ऐसे नहीं था. But he says, before this it was not like this. So what he says, San Andreas fault is created after this. 30 million के बाद San Andreas fault का existence था. पहले था नहीं. Now what he says, you know, पहले it was very easy construction, you know. There was a rocky angle subduction. This is था. Single subduction, and there was this mediastinal ridge, this mediastinal ridge, you know, were joined together somewhere here. Somewhere here. So this is before Oligocene. So this is your Pacific plate. Pacific plate था, and this plate was known as Farallon plate. So Farallon plate was existing between American plate and the Pacific plate. So this Farallon plate, I told you, is no more existing. Oh, Oligocene is of war. Why? You see, this is subducting this side, this is subducting this side. So this strange is gradually shifting this way. The train is shifting to ऐसे साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में, ऐसे ऐसे आगे towards Medusan Iris तक. But this amount of shift, you know, because there are number of transform faults, so this part was faster, rapid. That is why this Medusan Iris became very close to it. So this Farallon plate is not lost, destroyed into small plates. So no more Farallon plate existing now. So ये Medusan Iris जाके यहाँ पहुँच गई और this margin reached here. Whatever the relative metal, Medusan Iris very little moves, but this train moves. So this reached here, very close to it. So ये part आके इसको टच करते हैं, ये जो part है आपका, ये आके टच करते हैं. ये train part touch the Medusan Iris. Train touch the Medusan Iris. टच करिए, टच जब हो गया then this Medusan Iris, you know, broke down into two parts, deep Yucca and Southeast Pacific. Southeast Pacific इधर रह गया. This becomes your deep Yucca ridge. So now what is the picture now? Picture अब ऐसा हो गया, यहाँ Medusan Iris पहुंच गया, इधर मेंडोसिनो फ्रैक्चर जोन आ गया, ये रीज आ गया, ये ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉल्ट ब्रेक हो गया. Then the Medusan Iris here. So that is the San Andreas fault. Because these 2 points reached you. Why after reaching there, you know, what happened to the San Andreas fault was created? That is the question now. So that we will discuss, you know, under a chapter called stability of triple junctions. Stability of triple. This we will read after this. All these 3 margins are over. We will read about that. Why this becomes unstable? Why San Andreas fault was created and became a necessity? So those things we will discuss. But before that, you understand this is the San Andreas fault, the transformer. Now, in this connection, what I want to tell you, San Andreas fault is a fault something like this, you know. See. Draw it. This is the San Andreas, which you see as a single fault, you know, consists of many such overlapping faults. It is theoretically you can draw a line, you know, in the scale you are seeing a map. But if you see in detail, you know, all transform faults are like this. Any strike slip fault, it just cannot contain only one line. It will be split. It is a zone, you know, consisting of number of, this is called NA7, this strike slip faults. What will microscope if you see a strike slip fault, any fault, you know, it is like that only. Fault cannot be a single line from here to San Francisco. It is very small, but the whole thing will be, you know, a narrower zone like this. So this is the trace of San Andreas fault. San Andreas fault को आप trace करेंगे तो ऐसे. Understood ना? This is San Andreas fault. All right, yeah. Now can you tell me what is this arrangement? San Andreas fault. Can you tell me what is this arrangement? And same time, I will write another thing, you know. Same time, I will show another arrangement. You have to tell me, distinguish these two things. We have little time, but anyway, next time also. This is also fault zone. This is also fault zone, but they are not same. If I say what is the sense of shear? Right lateral. ये right lateral हो रहा है? ये right lateral. Right lateral. What is that? What about that? That is also right lateral. Huh? Remember. Huh? But the arrangement is different. Arrangement is different. What is this arrangement? What is that arrangement? That is to be seen or described. So the arrangements are described in this way. You have to work on one fault and go to the other fault. Which way you are going? You are going to right or to left? Suppose you are going working on this fault. To go to this fault, how you will jump? To your right or to your left? This is for your left. You are working on this. You go to this fault, you have to jump to your right ना. Similar, इधर से भी आप आओ. ऐसे ऐसे आते हैं. You have to jump to your right. See? So this is called right-handed. Right-handed NSLM. Understood this part or not? Now what about that? Right lateral तो ठीक है. But what about this NSLM? You work on one fault, go to the next fault. Which way you will go? No problem ना so far. ठीक है ना? डाउट तो नहीं इसमें ना. अब जितना ड्रॉ करोगे उतना सीखोगे. ऑलरेडी. Suppose I ask you draw a simplified map of this. Simplified करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? तो आप यहाँ से ले आओगे, फिर इधर चला जाओगे, फिर सीधा आओगे, फिर इधर चला जाओगे, फिर यहाँ ऐसा ना. अब देखो ऐसा आया, इधर चला गया, फिर इधर आया, फिर ऐसे चला गया. Simplified map. That is what he has drawn in the map. वो simplify करके ड्रॉ किया. इधर आप करोगे तो how it will be simplified? ऐसा आएगा, ऐसा आएगा, ऐसा आएगा, ऐसा आएगा. The pattern is different, huh? See? The pattern is different. ठीक है? अभी मेरा तो लास्ट पेपर बाकी है. क्या की चिंता कर रहे हैं? खत्म कर दिया. Understood this part ना? Now what he is telling, if this type of arrangements are there, ये जो जगह है ना intervening spaces, यहाँ तो कुछ फॉल्ट नहीं है. यहाँ तो इंटरवेनिंग स्पेसेस है. इधर का ओवरलैपिंग एरिया और इंटरवेनिंग स्पेस यही है ना. Now those areas, अब देखो what type of strain is going on here? देखो ये पार्ट तो ये खींच ले रहा है, ये पार्ट तो ये खींच ले रहा है. ये पार्ट, ये जो ब्लॉक है, this part is pulled by this vector, this stress is, so this is a extension which you say transtension. फिर शॉर्ट नोट आ गया. व्हाट इज ट्रांसटेंशन? यू राइट दिस, ड्रॉ a picture like this and say this is the area which is undergoing extension. So this part is extension because of the shearing. Shearing की वजह से ही extension is happening. Nobody is pulling it out as it is. It is being pulled out because you are giving opposite sense of shear. ये उधर जा रहा है, इधर जा रहा है. समझे कि नहीं समझे? So these zones are extensional areas. यहाँ इतना एक्सटेंशन होगा, यहाँ मागमा भी निकल जाएगा. बेसिक ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज कॉल्ड पुल अपार्ट बेसिन. ग्रावेंस ये सब डेवलप करे हैं. So these are the places. Pull apart. So like this, a series of pull apart basins will be created. Pull apart basin will be created. So that is your California Bay. Bay of California which you are seeing Gulf of California. So that is the product of this transtensional tectonics. Understood na? But now if you come to this part, this can also happen na? It depends on the arrangement. Here you see the common area, you just see, this is the common area. So from this side, so this part is transgress. So यहाँ पुलेपट बेसिन नहीं होगा, यहाँ तो फोल्ड थ्रस्ट बनेगा. So along a strike slip fault or a transfer margin, you may find thrust, folds, transgression. So depending on the transtensional or transgressional, you may get a pull apart basin. Basins will develop. You can find fold belt, thrust belts. So along the transfer margin, you don't expect it should be very fresh, flat, line. It is not like that. Maybe a strike slip fault, but strike slip के अंदर इतना चीज हो रहा है. Either it will be just basins or it will be hills. Very large hills along the transfer margins, depending on what type of arrangements you are doing. Hold on, na? Now he is telling, forget about this overlapping method. Just like this, it's a curving. See, I told you just join them. ऐसा आया, आगे थोड़ा मुड़ गया, इधर मुड़ गया, इधर मुड़ गया, फिर स्ट्रेट हो गया, फिर मुड़ गया, फिर again becomes straight. Same thing, I am just simplifying. The same phenomenon will also happen there. You see, you put the arrows like this. You put the arrows like this. Put the arrows like this. Now this bend part, this bend, these are called bends. These bends, ये पार्ट में क्या होगा देखो आप. देखो ये खींच रहा है, ये पार्ट में ये इधर से खींच रहा है, ये इधर से खींच रहा है. देखो जैसे यहाँ खींचते थे, इधर भी वही खींचेंगे. So this bend part will show the pull apart basin. You may not be having another arrangements as it is, but if they are bent, they can also produce similar phenomena. So these are pull apart basin. So these bends are known as releasing bends. Releasing bends. And releasing bends, what type of tectonics? Transtensional. Similarly, both there. उसमें क्या होगा? आपका एरो ऐसे हो गया. तो ये जो पार्ट का उल्टा तरफ है, तो यहाँ एक प्रेसिंग हो रहा है. ये बेंड पार्ट में प्रेसिंग होगा. So these are called restraining. These are called restraining. Restraining bends, releasing bends. Restraining bends, what type of tectonic setting? Transgression tectonic setting. Transgression tectonics. So all these transfer margin, whether it is oven fracture, 90 history, anywhere, you will find these type of features. Either basins will develop, hills will develop, depending on these bendings or depending on these NSL and arrangements. Understood now? So today we will finish this San Andreas fault here. Next class we will go to Alpine.